Hello everybody, my name is Preston here down at Monkey King restaurant. I'm here to show you how I Balboa. The cocktail I'm making for you today I call Rocky's Balboa. We're going to be making it with Henneberry whiskey, R&D sarsaparilla bitters, and a little Jägermeister to kind of amp it up a little bit. Touch of pineapple juice, a house-made spiced milk syrup, and a little top off of soda water. So this cocktail for me, I'm a new San Diego transplant, moved here about 6 months ago. From up Northern California. Me and my brother, we grew up in Washington. My dad was big into wrestling, just kind of taking care of us kids. So, of course, we grew up with Rocky Balboa. He was a hard hitter, he was a fighter, he was a very tenacious kind of man. Much like everybody I've met in this town so far. Balboa Park is basically, with this cocktail, a play on words. It's kind of a place for me to go and detox when I get off of work. Or if I just need to have a day out. We got some really nice archery yards, some nice parks. My dogs love to go run around there. It's a park that now it's part of me, and we got to take care of it. So it's kind of cool that this cocktail is going to be giving back to San Diego and actually get to be a part of that. All right, so first little starting ingredient, we're going to throw a little pineapple in here. One thing I like about pineapple is, yes, it does make it tropical, but it also makes it a little frothy. So this Rocky's root beer, in essence, it's almost a play on a root beer float. When it's all said and done, it's delicious, it goes down easy. You're no longer scared of Jägermeister. So with Jäger, it can be overpowering, but we use a little whiskey to tone her down a little bit. A couple dashes of sarsaparilla bitters from R&D to tie it all together. And we're gonna just do a little soda water to make it pop. Cheers to local innovators, Henneberry whiskey and R&D bitters. Come find me at Monkey King and enjoy a Balboa with me.